Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see right here, we have AMLX. This is AMLX Pharmaceuticals. It is up today around 56%, which is quite a lot. Now let's do a quick top-down analysis. Overall, I do see this thing actually kind of breaking the structure here, although it's not that big of a move. Yeah, we do see that break here. And then we are in overall supply area. Now, does that mean that it's going to hold? We're going to see that right now. Overall, we did manage to see a break there to the upside, and we broke bearish. And now, technically, because we're tapping in here, we are in a range. Also, we're in a bearish range. Does that mean it's going to continue to go down? No. Now we can come to the daily time frames and actually see what's actually going on. So from here, we kept breaking bullish. Okay, only bullish breaks from what I can see right here. In our bullish break again. Then we got the bullish break here. Yeah, that was there. We broke bearish, then we broke bullish once again, and right now, more likely than not, we are going to do something like this and continue to break bullish. It's going to be my personal opinion. Now, if I do see a break here, we might be shifting my opinions, but right now, yeah, I'm definitely bullish to deliver above these highs. Obviously, this is not